In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history on PayPal. Before we jump in, an important note. PayPal does not allow true deletion of past transactions. Because of financial record keeping and legal requirements, those entries have to remain in the system, and they also remain visible to the other party involved. What you can do, however, is archive transactions on your own account. Archiving tidies up your activity view so those items no longer appear in your everyday list, while the underlying records stay intact for statements, reports, and taxes. Start by signing into your PayPal account. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand side menu. Click Activity. That opens the section where all of your recent and past payments live. From there, choose All Transactions. You'll be taken to a page that lists your transaction history. Next, decide which entries you'd like to hide from your main view. Select those transactions. As soon as you select them, you'll see an Archive button appear. Click Archive. That's it. The selected items are now moved out of your standard activity list, so they won't clutter your day-to-day overview. A quick clarification so you know exactly what changed. Archiving is only a visual cleanup on your account. It doesn't cancel payments, change balances, or erase anything from official records. Those transactions can still show up in statements or downloadable reports, and the recipient will continue to see them on their side. Think of it like moving papers into a filing cabinet instead of leaving them on your desk. It's cleaner, but the documents still exist. If you're focused on privacy going forward, plan your payments with that in mind. Many people prefer to use clear invoicing or reference-only descriptions, so the purpose of a payment is obvious to them later without exposing extra details. That way, your history remains understandable, even if you choose to archive certain entries from daily view. To recap, you log in, head to Activity, open all transactions, select the entries you no longer want to see in your main list, and click Archive. It's a simple way to organize your PayPal activity without affecting your records. Thanks for watching. Keep your login details private, review your activity regularly, and use archiving whenever you want a tidier dashboard. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to continue organizing your account the same way across older entries.